Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. In this video today, I will continue my series for important MCQs from insurance as well as banking laws. I have covered insurance laws in my previous videos. If you have not checked out those videos, do check it out on the playlist of Legal Beat. Legal Beat को जल्दी से subscribe कर लीजिए and stay tuned with all such kind of videos that are helpful in your exam preparation. If you have any queries, you can reach out to us by writing us an email on hello@iexamb.com, call on this number, or visit our website and check the online courses with demos available. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. In this video today, I'm going to continue with part 5 of my series, which I will be starting with banking laws. First act which I will be taking up is RBI Act. Some important questions from RBI Act is what I'm going to discuss over here. What is CPA as per RBI Act 1934? Consumer Price Index, Consumer Price Incentive, Cost Price Index, Consumer Potential Index, Constant Price Index. Correct answer is A. Consumer Price Index. As per RBI Act 1934, Section 2 BVA talks about Consumer Price Index, which means Consumer Price Index combined, published by the Government of India from time to time. ऐसे काइंड ऑफ फुल फॉर्म से आपको हमेशा अवेयर रहना चाहिए क्योंकि इसमें कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है. Inflation is a monthly change in consumer price, yearly change in consumer price index, yearly change in monthly consumer price index expressed in percentage, monthly change in yearly consumer price index expressed in percentage, monthly change in consumer price index expressed in decimals. Now you can see there are so small changes in the option. If our concept is clear, then definitely we will correctly answer that. Answer is C. Yearly change in monthly consumer price index that is expressed in percentage. RBI Act 1934 Section 2 in definition CI discusses inflation, and that happens year wise in percentage, monthly CPI. What is the capital of Reserve Bank of India as per RBI Act? 5 crores, 10 crores, 50 crores, 1 crore. No limit is set by the Act. Correct answer is A. 5 crores. The limit has been set under Section 4 of the RBI Act. The Reserve Bank, established under Section 3 of RBI, has taken over currency management from whom? Central government, state government, national bank, Ministry of Finance, commercial and cooperative banks. This is a very interesting question. If you apply logic also, you can answer. But definitely, if you just read the history of the legislations, I always suggest my students, whenever you go for legislation, especially the legislations like these, which have established any authority or not, so you should go with the history of the legislation, objective of the act. Correct answer is A. Central government. Section 3 clause 1 talks about this particular point. Meetings of the central board shall be covered yearly, quarterly, 6 times in each year, once in each quarter, both C and D. Central board which is there in RBI, उसके meetings कैसे cover होने चाहिए? Answer is E, both C and D, that is 6 times in each year and once in each quarter. These are the limitations. Section 13, meetings of the central board, covers this particular point, at least 6 times in each year and at least once in each quarter. RBI is authorized to accept deposit without interest from central government, state governments, central governments and banks, central state governments, local authorities and banks, central state, local authorities, bank and any other person. That means almost all the people. Again, tricky question. But if you know, you know. Correct answer is E. Central state governments, local authorities, banks and any other persons. The business which the bank may transact, that is covered under Section 17. Banks shall be authorized to carry on and transact several kinds of businesses, accepting money on deposit without interest from and collection of money for central government, state government, local authorities, banks and any other persons. That has been specifically mentioned here. As it is, ये question यहाँ से pick किया गया है. Which of the following is not true about RBI transacting government business in India? It is an obligation as well as right of the bank to transact government business in India. Central government shall entrust the bank with the management of public debt. Central government shall entrust the bank with power to issue new loans for management of public debt. Terms and conditions for transacting government business shall be determined by RBI. Any agreement made for transacting government business shall be laid before the Parliament. Correct answer is D. Terms and conditions for transacting government business shall be determined by the RBI. Section 20. Obligations of the bank. 21. Bank has the right to transact government business, and 21 further details. So both the provisions I would say are important and you should go through well. यहाँ से काफी questions आने के chances है because this is the core area. Form of bank notes shall be as may be approved by dash on the recommendations of central government, central board, central government governor, RBI, central government RBI, central board, central government. Correct answer is A. Central government on the recommendations of central board. Final approval is by central government. Recommendations कौन देगा? Central board of the RBI. Section 25 talks about this form of banknotes. Legal tender character of notes is provided under which section of RBI Act 1934, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Direct section based question है ये. Correct answer is B. 26. Legal tender character of notes. Please go through this section also. It's very important concept. And also read demonetization policy that happened in alliance with this section. You will understand the concept even better. Every bank note shall be legal tender at any place in India, and it shall be guaranteed by central government, state government, central board of RBI, governor of RBI, nationalized bank of respective local area. Correct answer is A. Central government. Legal tender character of notes. Subject to provisions of subsection 2, every bank note shall be a legal tender character at any place in India in payment or on account for the amount expressed therein and shall be guaranteed by whom? By the central government. This is also an important point. ये भी आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि ये guarantee कौन देता है. RBI is central bank, bankers bank, permanently situated in Mumbai. A and B, A, B and C all are correct. Very easy. Correct answer is E. All of these are correct. Central bank है. ये basic history और current affairs RBI की तो आपको पता ही होनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ legislation में से directly pick करके questions पूछे जाएंगे. In and around you have to study. Reserve Bank of India was nationalized in which year? This is also a similar type of question. See, now it gets tricky because in the legislation it's 1934, but nationalization happened in 1949. Remember that. It was private entity in 1935 set up. 1934 में तो law आया, but nationalization कब हुआ? 1949 में. Which of the following bodies shall participate in management of Reserve Bank of India? Central government, governor, central board of directors, A and B, A, B and C. Again, management related question, important one. Correct answer is E, A, B and C. Management section 7 of the RBI Act deals with it and covers all these points. Which of the following statement is false about RBI? RBI shall be constituted for purpose of taking over management of currency from the government. Shall be constituted for carrying on the business of banking. It shall be a body corporate. It shall not have perpetual succession. RBI shall have a common seal. Now this is again very conceptual and logical question. Correct answer is D. They have asked you not true. They have asked you false. Please इसको ignore मत कीजिएगा. कई बार हमें ऐसा लगता है कि false पूछा है या नहीं और यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या दिया है not have a perpetual succession. So ये false है. RBI is a body corporate, so it will have common seal. It will have perpetual succession as well. Section 3, establishment and incorporation of the Reserve Bank is covered over here. RBI issues all currency notes of denomination not exceeding 5,000, 50,000, 10,000, 2,000, 9,000. Correct answer is C, 10,000. Section 24, denomination of notes, covers this particular point very specifically, not exceeding 10,000 rupees. I hope all these questions and content is very helpful for your preparation. Do subscribe to your YouTube channel. Stay tuned with all the videos. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExam. Download our app from the Google Play Store. Check the full course access available even on our iExam app. Offline access भी available है. कोई भी queries हो, reach out to us and prepare 50% faster. Thank you everybody.